Morning YouTube, back on the Camaro here. This will be the final day, I think. I'm just picking away at these bumpers here. We have the spider cracking going on. All I have is this little rotary sander. I should have a DA. I guess maybe even doing it by hand, but you know, I get lazy. And this isn't a show car, so let me take you in here and show you. We have all this, I think I've shown you 100 times, but got rid of most of it, but there's some cracking right there. Can you see that? Most of the front bumper I've taken care of it. I got to go back in and fill all these spots now, but the back bumper still has tons to do. I got to still finish the bottom of the door, but you can see in here this is all cracked. These are, you know, when they're soft bumpers, see, so when you back into something or lean on, whatever, spider webs the paint. Gotta address all that. So yeah, it's just the bumpers left. The rest of the car's pretty good. I gotta touch up the bottom of the door with another coat of fill. You guys see that? Yeah. Anyway, that's what we're at today. Just sitting here chilling doing that. And I'm just going to pick away at it with my little sander here. I am fiberglassing these. I know it's a different material, you're not supposed to do it, but I am fiberglassing those bumpers. We'll see how it works out. I don't know. But, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to pick away at this. I got it up on the hoist. Makes it way easier access. It's a nice day finally. It's a little breezy, but it's a nice day. No rain, finally. It's been raining like crazy. Yeah, so I'm going to pick away at this and I'll be back. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're just going to remove the grill. Got some cracking in here. I want to address as much as I can. Should be pretty simple. I've never removed one of these grills, but it should be pretty simple. It'll look very difficult, I'll tell you that much. I love the old cars. All the new ones are just put together with clips and everything, and they break, and I don't know. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love the old cars, man. I love the old cars. Came out in real time. I didn't edit that. That was literally 4 little bolts that popped right out of there. That simple to get the grill out. I love the old cars. Actually, there was 5. This one's broken in the middle, but what can you do? You know, it still stayed in there just fine. So now I can get in there and grind those out or sand them out. This is all warped from the heat. This is just polyurethane, so it's not going to be perfect. You can replace this whole nose cone with a new fiberglass one they sell, but I think they're fairly expensive. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to fix up this one. Anybody knows how to get rid of these cracks a better way. In here I'm just trying to take it all down. It's all, like I said, it's warped. There's highs and lows from the heat because this is just flexible plastic. But you got to dig these cracks out, and it leaves these big divots, and then you got to backfill them. But I'm going to try to take this down to the same plane as much as I can before I start digging them out, I guess. See if I can get rid of some of them before I dig them, but that's all I'm really doing. There's not much else you can do. None of them go right through, which is really good, because if they go through, then you got to dig through and make a hole, an actual complete hole, and then backfill that. But then here's going to be fun. I don't know what's going to happen here. That'll be fun. But anyway, just keep plugging away at this thing. That's all I can really do. Not sure if everybody wants to watch that or not, but yeah. I'll keep you posted. How about that? All right, so I'm down to I got it down to 100 grit. Most of the sides of the car, all the sides of the car except for the door on this side, on the passenger side. I'm gonna drop it down, do the hood, do the roof, 100 grit. Dusty time, dusty days in the dusty days when you're sanding, but somebody's got to do it, man, right? All right, it's down to 100 grit. I think this is where I'm going to leave it until I prime it, and then I'll sand the primer a bit. I think I'll sand the primer a bit, flatten it out, kind of, and I'll see if I have any other little chips and stuff for bodywork that needs fixing before I go to paint, but I am going to primer it first. So this is where I'm going to leave it at 100 grit until I prime it. I'm going to wipe it all down, obviously, and clean it. Probably like use a window cleaner on it. I think that gets like a lot of the dust and the grease and everything off if there's any fingerprints, stuff like that. So I think that's the route I'm going to go with it. But oh, the dog wants me to throw a stick. You want me to throw the stick? Do you want me to throw it? Do you want to take it to the pond? You want to take it to the pond? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Ready, Mark? Set. Go! Good boy. There he is. He loves his pond. Right, enough of you. Okay, I'm just going around the car and you see there's paint chips like that. I'm just marking them with a little piece of tape so I can come in and just hit them with Bondos. Another one, little one there. I don't know why I'm being so picky with it. I mean, this front bumper is a disaster. But anyway, going around the car, wherever I see little chips, I'm just marking it. I'm going to come back with just some body fill. Fill it. And I sprayed a little bit of black paint over the bare metal just to keep it from getting any moisture on it, I guess. It's coming along, but I found a bunch of little nicks and stuff. Same with this back bumper. It's pretty wavy just from the sun. Like I said, this thing sat in the field well over 10 years. There's a little nick there. I haven't sanded under there yet. Oh yeah, the dog wants my attention again. But another one here. Bondo job's looking pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna come back, just mix up a little Bondo, body fill, cheese, whatever you call it, and I'm gonna fill those in. Won't take much. And then I gotta get some fiberglass, fill in these divots here that I've kind of ground out some of the cracks as best I can. But yeah, if anybody has this lower grill, it's in the Bob Cajun, Peterborough, Scarborough, Toronto area. I need one, let me know. This is the lower grill that was in it. You can see how wavy and bent up and how, well, all those little white lines are, see, that's cracks. Just from the sun. It was sat in that field for so long. You can see how brittle it is. Look at, pieces are just falling off it. So I need a new one, I guess. I was going to try to maybe make one, but seems like a lot of effort.